Sounds like my laundry's hear that. I don't know if you could hear that. Konnichiwa, Pat Tokuyama here, creator of All Day I Eat Like a Shark and the new Japanese cooking club all about plant-based Japanese food. So if this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. What we're going to be doing is making something with some salad greens here, mixed greens, baby greens, and some vegetables. I have some avocado, some cucumber, and some tomato. And I have a couple of special ingredients which you may not have had before in your kitchen, or if you have, then maybe you will be excited to try this recipe. So, secret ingredient, we are going to be using shiokoji in the dressing, which is one of my favorite ingredients. And we're also going to be making some, using some tofu chizu. Chizu is how you'd say cheese in Japanese with a Japanese accent. And basically what we did was we took a block of excess water removed tofu and we marinated it for about 3 days with some osake, some sugar, and some miso paste. And the result almost tastes like cheese. You might be surprised. And that's what we're going to be using as our little topping, and that's what I have here cut into little pieces. But basically we have some salad greens here. I'm just going to throw on these tomatoes, scatter them about, add some color and some additional flavor to our salad. You can also throw on whatever you have in season or what you prefer to put in your salads. So like quinoa is something I add sometimes. Some whole grains like farro. You can use barley as well. You can use tofu, regular tofu, and sprouts. Basically anything that you would want. So I'm just going to throw all this stuff in here. And this is a nice summery salad because we're using cucumbers and tomatoes, summer tomatoes. And the cheese actually goes pretty good with crackers. It has like a Japanese flavor. And this is not cheese, this is tofu, remember? It just tastes kind of like cheese. So, let's see. The last thing that we're going to do is process the shiokoji with the rice vinegar and the olive oil. And the reason that we're processing it is because the shiokoji has rice grains in them. So you want to break those up so that you get a really thick emulsion. It's almost like a creamy dressing without any cream, eggs, or mayo. So this is a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to throw that in there. Throw in the rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, and then the 1/4 cup of shiokoji. You don't need to add any salt because the shiokoji has plenty of salt. I'm going to throw on some freshly cracked pepper. This is a 5 peppercorn blend. And process it until it's evenly mixed. All right, there it is. Ta-da! It almost looks like Caesar dressing, but it's not. At least the color reminds me of Caesar dressing. I don't know about you guys. So we'll go ahead and put this in my little dressing pourer. And our hard work is just about done. So if you've ever had issues with your dressing not turning into an emulsion, quick easy fix for that is to just process it like I did. You can use your immersion blender or you can use your food processor and you won't have that issue. As you can see, it's very, very nicely mixed and very emulsified. So all we're going to do is pour this on and serve. If you have leftovers, like we do right now, you can also put this just on some straight vegetables like cucumber, avocado, and tomato salad is what I usually use it on as well, or mixed greens. And you can also do it with like steamed vegetables, blanched vegetables like green beans or asparagus. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, got some inspiration for another fun use and fun tasty way to use your shiokoji, as well as maybe even trying some homemade tofu chizu like we just did, or like we just used today for this salad. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the alarm bell for notifications for when I post new videos. Other than that, see you in my next video. Jana, bye-bye. All right, there it is.